become a MERN stack developer in 2026. Here the complete roadmap in just 1 minute. First, learn the basic HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for logic. JavaScript is the most important part, so master ES6 and DOM and asynchronous wait. Next, move to React. Learn component props, state hooks, and API calls. This help you build modern front-end website. After that, start backend development with Node.js, Express, learning, routing, REST API, middleware, and JavaScript authentication. Now, learn database MongoDB. Using MongoDB, you understand CRUD operations, schema, and Mongos. Then connect everything together. React frontend plus Node backend plus MongoDB database full stack MERN app. Finally, build e-commerce website, job portal, social media app, and deploy them using a virtual render. Mongo Atlas. Watch tutorial, build project daily, and stay constant. Subscribe to StackNova for more coding content.